Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. Today's video is not a recipe, so if you're interested only in recipes, you can head off to some of my other videos. But today, this is a really exciting one because I want to share with you something really special that I got in the mail yesterday. And this here is a package from Deana Martin. I've been following Deana Martin's music since I was a kid. My parents loved Deana Martin. They also loved the Rat Pack. I've always loved Deana Martin's music. I have an aunt who absolutely loves Deana Martin as well. And I also loved Frank Sinatra. But this video is about Deana Martin and the really nice gesture. I've been listening to Deana's music for quite some time. And only recently I started following her on Twitter and Instagram because I didn't realize that she was on there. And I had commented on a few of her videos over the last few months. So last week I got a nice email from a lady who is in charge of Deana's management team. And she said that Deana wanted to send me something. And this is what I got right here. And I want to share that with you today. So I'm really excited. So I'm going to get into this. And we'll pull this out, and here we have it. Deana Martin's brand new CD, Destination Moon. This is available on Amazon and also on Spotify. So if you want to check out her music, make sure you do. And right here, autographed, signed, to Mark, love, Deana Martin. So there we go. That is going to be in my collection for a very long time. Look at that. So that is pretty amazing. So I am really excited to have that in my possession. So as you can tell, I'm pretty excited. Very happy to get this. So thank you very much, Deana. Love it. Love you. Thank you very much. And I wanted to just share that with everybody who follows me. Anybody who is a lover of music, you will love her new CD. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. Even though it wasn't a recipe, I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. At the end of this video, you will have a clickable link and you can click onto some of my recipe videos. I'll put up a cake and perhaps maybe a pizza video that you can watch after this video. Thanks for watching. You can check out Deana Martin on YouTube, also on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.